Hi, this is Baron from Ragic. Today I'm going to show you a case where we'll need to create a new sheet from a subtable. This is a project sheet with an expense subtable in it. So right now we're recording every expense as a row in the subtable. I want to be able to search easier for these expenses and also to run approvals and maybe record reimbursements for each expense, depending on the person who needs to be reimbursed. To do this, I'm going to hit Change Design, and from Sheet Linking Tools, New Sheet from Subtable. This will create a new form from the subtable that will record every expense in your project's expense subtable. It's also easier to import data when you have a separate sheet. You can add new fields to the sheet, showing if this needs to be reimbursed, and also add an approval flow. We will talk about this approval flow in another tutorial, but basically you can add users and groups to approve an entry.